Hello and welcome back to Cooksongold for another video in our rolling mill series. My name is Lara. Okay, so you've chosen your rolling mill, you've unboxed it, you've set it up and you're ready to go. But how do you use it? Well, let's check it out. So let's get started with rolling some sheet metal. Now the first thing you need to do is to anneal it, clean it and make sure it's completely dry. Cooksongold sheet comes completely annealed, but you might have to anneal it again during the reduction process. Don't put anything wet through the rollers. Try pushing the metal through. If it goes through, then you're going to need to tighten the rollers by adjusting the handle at the top again. Now when it's fully adjusted, the metal shouldn't pass through. Don't tighten it too much to start with, because as you're rolling, we're going to go down in stages. So supporting the metal in one hand and operating the roller handle with the other, it's time to get rolling. Begin feeding the dry metal through the roller and put a little bit of pressure on the roller handle and make sure you catch it as it passes through the other side. After rolling, flip the metal sheet end to end before you roll again to ensure an even roll. If required, adjust the rollers, closing the width, and repeat the process until you get the desired thickness. So if you're thinking of making an oval, then the same rules apply. Just make sure you do the process in the same direction to elongate the oval. So now we're going to start by drawing some wire through. Now before you start this process, you need to ensure that the wire is annealed, cleaned, and thoroughly dried. Cooksongold's wire is fully annealed anyway, but you might have to re-anneal it as you're going through the reduction process. The wire is then pushed into the square grooves and the handles turn so the wire is drawn into the groove section of the roller. That then shapes the wire. To ensure the correct shape is achieved by using a rolling mill, turn the wire each time by 90 degrees. Rolling mills with D-shaped channels allow D-shaped wire to be formed and follow a similar principle to shaping. And if it's not the required thickness, you just simply repeat the process. Well, that takes care of the basics. How simple was that? Now, join us next time when we'll be looking at top tips for rolling mills.